just want to share with you guys this new app that I have discovered na pwede niyong pagkakitaan. This app is called Sitaw. Sitaw is an online selling platform na very convenient for resellers. No need for stock rooms, and you don't have to worry kung saan ka kukuha ng supplier because they are the ones who will provide kung ano yung items na gusto mo ibenta. You can be a reseller on Sitaw pero you don't have to buy agad-agad yung items na binibenta nila. All you have to do is put it on your reseller account and once na may mag-checkout, dun ka palang maglalabas ng pera. In short, aabunuhan mo muna yung items pero you have a commission on it. And once nakagawa ka na ng account, pwede ka na mag-reseller ng Sitaw. So, paano nga ba maging reseller sa Sitaw? All you have to do is select on Sitaw account yung items na gusto niyo ibenta. Meron na dun kung ano yung gusto niyo ibenta na items provided na yun ng Sitaw. So, like what I said, hindi ka nang mamroblema kung saan ka kukuha ng supplier because Sitaw is the one who will provide ng mga items na gusto mo ibenta. Hindi ka na din mamroblema sa shipping because Sitaw is the one who will ship your items. And also guys, yung mga buyers nyo, international sila. So, once na nag-checkout sila, babayaran mo lang yung items na yon and once na na-ship na yon, mababalik ni Sitaw yung money mo with commission. And ang commission rate is up to 8%. And guys, this is very important. Kailangan talaga meron kang referral code. So, use my referral code and yeah, that's it. So, download Sitaw app now and lahat tayo payaman.